Established by Maxim Blagov and Vitek Radomski in 2009, Enjin was fabricated basically to serve the gaming local area. It was a stage when this present reality had gotten critical force in video gaming, and online mediums had turned into a craze. At first, to fabricate a strong groundwork and to create reserves, the undertaking sent off an underlying coin offering, ICO, raising about $18.9 million by offering ENJ tokens to construct its new blockchain. Thus Enjin went live in 2018. Enjin coin cost expectation has been referenced here exhaustively. Right from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to advanced vouchers spreading their wings to products, the Enjin biological system is focused on serving an extensive local area that could use the multi-chain benefits across various computer games as well. Building qualities from quality item contributions, existing local area of clients and key organizations with driving brands, and inborn openness to the quickly developing NFT market, Enjin Coin guaranteed it made a computerized domain around itself and made its presence felt across all stages from PC to portable. Enjin, catching up speed. Devoting its central goal to give versatile, decentralized, cross-chain organization. Enjin cost forecast has been, since its commencement, working completely to the advantage of clients, acclimatizing all benefits of Enjin Coin, the local tokens in a wallet. This further worked with crypto exchanges. Being based on Ethereum and exploiting the consolidated benefits of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Enjin Coin guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy in the organization. The whole structure of Enjin is so subject to zero revelation proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange methodology, so the interest of gamers is constantly secured. A consistent and bother-free exchange for gamers puts the power at last in the client's hands. Being based on a blockchain-empowered stage, Enjin Coin, ENJ, can trap false or deceptive exchanges with practically no bottlenecks or deterrents caused to the gamers and their product. Its establishment is dependable on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain. Enjin token is a magnificent long-haul instrument for speculation. In view of ENJ cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $15.295. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 600%. Numerous Enjin Coin, ENJ, cost expectations have been made, and assuming the local area centers around limiting the exchange charges, the ENJ cost might heighten. The ENJ cost might hit $2.913, making it a productive speculation before the finish of 2022. While the start of January 2022 Enjin Coin cost gauges to cross $2.59, the normal greatest cost toward the year's end will be $3.82. Enjin Coin, ENJ, cost is set to bounce back by December post-pandemic and gigantic inoculation roll over the globe that would mirror a decent pinnacle of $3.21 by 2022, which it makes certain to scale. Consequently, the merchants are urged to purchase ENJ tokens on crypto trades. The greatest milestone triumph for Enjin Coin cost is that it would cross $19.31 in the year 2027. In this way, in no less than 5 years, it will merit wagering on Enjin Coin, ENJ, being a beneficial venture. With the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would prescribe Enjin Coin to be a sensibly wise venture. Such data designs are extremely useful. As of now, the exchange cost of Enjin Coin weights around $2.79 with a market capitalization of $2,371,028,684.77 with a circling supply of 846,734,705 ENJ now and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $271,110,304.03 in the crypto market. From the start of this current year, the cost of Enjin Coin, ENJ, denoted a colossal meeting till April. However, practically all digital forms of money confronted a market slump after that. Notwithstanding, the ENJ crypto recovered the lost force, and right now, it exchanges around the $2.79 mark. According to the ongoing ATH, all-time high, and Enjin coin cost expectation 2022, its future qualities could stay over its pivotal obstruction level of $4. Enjin coin price prediction 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that Enjin coin is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2023. Following the moving example of NGUSD, particularly the way things are exchanging, it is clear that Enjin coin, ENJ, cost will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern keeps, contacting its significant obstruction level of $4.50. This cost would be close to the ongoing all-time excessive cost. Enjin coin price prediction 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Enjin coin according to our negative market cost expectation. There is an anticipated possibility of Enjin coin cost causing a benefit to $5.60. Enjin coin price prediction 2024. Yet again founded on verifiable information and our own exploration, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Enjin coin will govern the digital currency market with a presentation representing things to come cost fixed at $6.70. This is comparable to the vary that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows Enjin coin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic states of the crypto and blockchain industry. Enjin coin price prediction 2025. As indicated by our specialized investigation and ENJ cost expectation, this year could stamp as the benchmark year as Enjin coin's tradish team is anticipated to outperform $7.60 definitely. Fundamentally on the grounds that this year, no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work and monetary resources alongside computerized reality resources. Enjin coin price prediction 2026. The cryptographic money value expectations of different specialists don't stop Enjin coins from beating the adversaries using any and all means. Enjin cost expectation local area has set higher benchmarks for itself despite and it will move higher. Cost of Enjin coin will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers. One more significant send-off of Enjin's symbolic trade is set to divulge soon, which would be supported by large numbers of trades. In light of our Enjin coin cost forecast 2026, ENJ coin has helped the market feeling peculiarity definitely. Merchants and investors have begun wagering long haul and present moment for the Enjin coin development following it intently. Consequently, the Enjin coin cost expectation for this entire